Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember on this channel I always review my trade setup and my trade pay. So I got a comment, someone requesting that I should throw more light on leverage. So when it comes to trading, what do we mean by leverage? If you are trading forex, come closer. If you are trading crypto, just wait. I should give you an update on how to use leverage in crypto. For forex trading, first of all, you choose a good broker. That's the number one thing you have to do. Personally, I recommend XNS. Yeah, SNS doesn't have any commission or any hidden charge, unlike some brokers that I've tried. So I'm not here to do any advert for them. That is something for another day, but I'm just trying to give them a shout out because they're a good broker. Now, when it comes to leverage, you have what is called 1:anything. Do you get me now? So personally, I prefer using 1:1000, 1:2000. Then this is how it works. When you want to use your leverage in trading, first of all, how much are you funding? How much you fund matters a lot when it comes to leverage. So if, for example, you are trading a $100 account, now the $100 there is not what matters, but the $100 there is what will require whether you are over risking the account based on leveraging or what you are doing with your money. So this is how leverage works now. Whenever you want to do anything calculation, you first of all do what we call placing an actual quantity that is already measured, and then trying to estimate or bring another quantity that you want to measure. So when it comes to leverage now, we already know that the standard parameter here is that one lot size is equal to 100,000 units. So for you to know the dollar average or the dollar value of a standard lot depending on your leverage, then you do this math. First of all, you do 1 over that your leverage. So 1 means 1 over. So if you are using 1:1000 now, 1 over 1000 times 100,000. So which means that the 100,000 now is presenting one lot size. Do you get me now? Yeah. So this calculation now is like saying one lot size, which dollar value? Do you get me now? So if you want to risk $100 per a trade, you do this math. If you want to risk $200 per one trade, you do this math too. So you do what you call 1 over your leverage times the lot size. We already know that one lot size is 100,000 units. So 1 over 1000, which is 1:1000 times 100,000. If you cancel, you see that the equal to will be 100. So which means that the 100 there at the equal to side is the $100. So which means that you need $100 to place one lot size if you are using 1:1000. So if you're using 1:2000, it means 1 over 2000 times 100,000 units, which is equal to 50, right? So 50 means that you need $50 to place one lot size if you are using 1:2000. Now, if you are using 1:unlimited, that is the story for another day, but that preferably is no more trading. That is if you want to just prove anything to your followers or anything, but preferably 1:2000 is enough for any person that knows how to trade. Now, if you are using 0.01, 0.1, 0.50 and all those things, how do you calculate? Now, knowing fully that your one lot size is 100,000 units, so which means that 0.5, which is like a half lot size, will be 100,000 divided by 2, which is 50,000. So 50,000 should be equal to 0.5 lot, right? So do the same math. So if you do the same math, you see that this will give you this. So if you do the same math, you know how much are you going to be risking leverage now. So coming down to what we call lot sizing now, that will be on that video. So I don't want to bore you too much on this video on leverage, so I'll do a backup video on lot size calculation, and the third video will be on profit risk management. If you're not on my Telegram channel, make sure you join my Telegram channel, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video so that people that don't know how to use this lot size can use it very, very well. So see you next time. Jovianking Trace. Bye.